Cloves don't just spice up your food. They numb pain, kill bacteria, and might save you a trip to the dentist. All in under 5 minutes. Before you reach for pain meds, try this. Pop 6 cloves in your mouth, suck on them, and suddenly, boom! Your mouth goes numb. What just happened? If you're battling a toothache or a nasty headache, this old-school trick might save your day. Just place 6 dried cloves in your mouth. Let them soak. Don't rush it. As you chew, the cloves release eugenol, which targets nerve endings and dulls pain naturally. Dentists even use it for numbing gums. And guess what? Cloves also help kill bacteria, freshen your breath, and reduce inflammation. That's triple the power in one tiny spice. Just a heads up. Don't swallow them whole and don't overdo it. Stick to 4 to 6 cloves at a time. And if you're allergic or pregnant, talk to your doctor first. Who knew that the answer to your next toothache might already be in your spice rack? Try this next time before reaching for meds, and let nature do the work. Thanks for watching! Hit that like button if you learned something new. Subscribe for more wild health tricks that actually work.